The National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Franklin County in Middle Tennessee until 11 p.m. CST. At 10:43 p.m. CST, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cowan, or near Winchester, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Winchester, Detchard, Cowan, Monteagle, Suwanee, St. Andrews, Alto, and Woods Reservoir. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.